Hey, what's up everybody? Justin Sardi, CEO and co-founder of TubeSift here. And today we're actually covering a topic that we had a couple people write in and ask us to cover. And that is, how do I make a video ad without having to be on camera? So we're going to be breaking that down today. I've got some really awesome examples, which is why I'm standing here at my computer. A little bit different setting today. But yeah, basically going to be breaking that down, showing some examples, and talking about, best practices for doing this and all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Now, there are a lot of ways that you can go about doing this. Most big brands, in fact, me and Brady right before this video, we were actually talking about how most big brands, think about like TV commercials, things like that. They are not the owner or whatever, even some of the employees are not the face on the commercials. You can literally get anybody to do anything. And the first way I want to talk about is jumping over to a website such as Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. And I'm actually going to show you a Fiverr ad as well, so it kind of ties in. But you can come over here and there are tons and tons of like video services, like video explainers. You can come down here and you can find video and animation. The important thing is that you script your ad the right way. And if you script your ad the right way, you don't have to be on camera at all. And you can check out our blog post on scripting YouTube ads as well. But right over here, video and animation, you get short video ads, logo animation, spokesperson videos, unboxing videos, things like that. And I'm going to be talking about unboxing videos as well. So the first thing that I would do is I would go over to YouTube and I would just do a search for something along the lines of whatever your product is, right? Whatever niche you're in. Watch a couple of those videos. If you're in any e-commerce space, for example, this was a really, really great ad right here from Lit Mobile. And many of you probably saw this. This had, as of right now, 21.6 million views on this. And I'm just going to play this. This is a simple unboxing video. And essentially, from what I remember, they had one with a female, one with a male. This is the one with the male. I had it bookmarked. But basically, and you can always get our TubeSift bookmarker. That's actually how I pulled these up for reference for this video. So definitely, we'll put a link for the TubeSift bookmarker below this video as well. But as you can see right here, he basically is it's just a set of hands. He's holding the product in a box and he says, I just got this package from Lit Mobile and I'm going to unbox it and see what it's all about. So let's check it out.
So Lit Mobile just sent me this solar wireless battery pack. I'm excited. Let's see what's inside. I really like the build. It's got hand grips on the side.
So really what they're doing is they're basically highlighting product features. Now this works great for any e-commerce products, right? So he's saying right here, good build, shockproof, water resistant. It's literally just a little bit of he's talking about the features and they're highlighting the features in white text with a little green box around it.
Side, it's shockproof and water resistant. The power bank has 20,000 milliamps, which can fully charge your phone up to 8 times.
So, I mean, you get the point. This guy is not on the camera necessarily. You can send this type of video to somebody that's doing an unboxing video, for example. I mean, these are like starting at $10, right? So you can very easily get one of these made with very little effort just by sending a product to somebody, right? Another thing you can do is team up with influencers, have them make you a video, run that as an ad. I run a large YouTube channel and I'm actually an influencer in a space and I get tons of free products and love doing unboxing videos for these people. And then I can upsell them on my, running YouTube ads for them. So that's one of the things. Here's another one. Here's an ad from Fiverr. This is a 22-second ad. Again, they are not like Fiverr himself. Mr. Fiverr is not on here, right?
Searching for a way to move your business online? Go to Fiverr.
And so this actually follows the script right there. He's like, they pre-qualify the viewer. Hey, are you searching for a way to move your business online? Cool.
Fiverr.com. Choose from hundreds of freelancers. Connect with talented developers.
This is literally a screen recording following a script, right? Now they've done some fancy stuff with the screen recording to keep it a little bit more engaging, if you will.
Get your business online. Any online service. Anywhere you are. Move your business online today.
Anyway, you get the point there. Nobody, not a single human was on this except for the ones that were on the screen recording. So this is another great example of not having to be on camera. Another one, Grammarly. We've all seen these Grammarly ads. If you haven't seen a Grammarly ad, maybe you haven't been on YouTube, because this particular one has 487 million views on it, right? And you can see right here, how compelling is your writing? So we can just kind of break down this. And again, got this from the TubeSift bookmarker over here. So you can see here's all these different ads that I've seen. I just went through here, different ads that I've bookmarked, and I went ahead and snagged them. Again, you can snag that for free as well. And that will help you get a bunch of inspiration for when it comes time for you to make an ad like this. So let's go ahead and break the Grammarly ad down.
Grammar and spelling are important, but if you want to write essays that inspire.
So, I mean, as you can see, it is people on here, but a lot of this is stock footage, right? This could be stock footage of a student in a classroom, right? And you can get tons of stock footage from places like pond5.com, videohive.com. You can get all kinds of stock footage and use that in your ads. And all you have to do is overlay a voice, right? Splice those together in a nice little video, and you have an ad where you don't have to be on camera. So that's the whole Lit Mobile one, the another one with Grammarly, and another example with Fiverr. The last one I want to talk about is Rilo. This is another physical product. This is a camera, and same exact thing. They're just, hey, here's a bag, boom, we're pulling the camera out, right? That's it. Here it is. They are not on this, right? They're just showing the product in action, showing some shots from it. I mean, it's well done, very well shot. They have some cool shots, some cool music here, highlighting features again. And that's about it. I mean, you can see they're just showing, hey, cool, check it out. This camera is great. That is all you have to do to make a video where you're not on camera. Right? Now, again, this works in literally any niche. You can do screen recordings. If you're doing webinars, you just throw testimonials up over. Hey, check this person out. Other video testimonials, things like that. Works phenomenal. Software demos work great. All of that good stuff will work, and it's extremely easy to do, and you do not have to be on camera. So that's it for this video. If you did like it, give us that thumbs up. If you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, leave us a comment, and if you want a specific video addressing one of your questions, feel free to hit that live chat in the bottom right-hand corner. Let us know what that is if you're on our blog. Or email support@tubesift.com, and we will get you a video made explaining exactly how to go about doing things like this. So that is it for me on this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.